Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, where I am finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So tonight, you guys, I am continuing on my journey to find recipes that will be suitable for my Thanksgiving table. As I've mentioned before in previous videos, last year I was not keto. This year I am. I absolutely love Thanksgiving dinner, so I have to make sure that everything that I put on that table is going to be out of this world delicious. So what I've been doing is I have been searching for recipes. I have been giving them a try to see if I can actually include them as part of my Thanksgiving dinner. And tonight I am doing the same. Tonight's recipe is for a cauli mash. Now you guys already know potatoes are a no-no on a keto-friendly diet, but you still can have your mashed potatoes, and that is exactly what I'm going to show you guys how to make this evening. But instead of using this potato, I am going to be using cauliflower. So if you guys want to learn how to make a delicious mashed potato substitute using this, then stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. Okay everyone, welcome back. So these are all the ingredients that I am going to be using to put together my cauli mashed potatoes. And by the way, my husband is not keto, but the size that I'm going to make for him, I'm going to be using the same ingredients to season and flavor his size. And that is going to make it super simple for me. So what I'm going to start with is making a sauce to go over these mashed potatoes. And it is going to consist of some butter, so probably about 2 tablespoons. Turn this up a little bit. And I'm going to melt this, and to it I am going to add some garlic. Now of course if you don't like garlic, then you can omit this step, but I like garlic, so I'm going to basically have some garlic mashed potatoes. All right. And I have 1 clove of minced garlic. I'm going to go ahead and saute this just so all the goodness of this garlic can incorporate into this melted butter. Now while that is doing its thing, then let me just tell you about this cauliflower. So obviously you can opt to get fresh cauliflower, okay, and then you just bring some water to a boil and put some salt in it, and then you boil it until it is tender enough to make your mashed potatoes out of. I opted to do the quick. So I had some steaming bag cauliflower, put it into the microwave according to the instructions, and here we have it. The only thing I needed to do was to take it out of the bag and let it drain, which is exactly what I did. And before I actually put it into my blender to mix it up with the ingredients, I am going to salt this. So while this garlic is doing this thing, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it. Okay, you guys, so all we need to do is to wait for this garlic to saute into this butter, and I will be right back and I will show you what the next step is. Okay, what I'm going to do is add some heavy whipping cream to this garlic and butter. And again, you guys, this is exactly the same thing that I am going to use to season and flavor my husband's mashed potatoes. All right, everyone, this is ready. So what I am going to do next is to get out my NutriBullet, and I am going to fill it with this cauliflower and all the other seasonings along with this heavy whipping cream. And we are going to make some mashed potatoes. And another thing that I'm going to add to this as well, which I did not mention, is some softened cream cheese. There's about 2 tablespoons of this. It's time to put in this cream. All right. And just like that, guys, we have got mashed potatoes. All right, so let's go ahead and put this in a serving dish. Oh, wow. And I think I mentioned this a lot in my videos, and it's worth mentioning again. Keto does not have to be boring, nor is it. Because these look absolutely amazing, and guys, they smell so good, especially with the addition of that garlic. Okay. For the sake of time, I'm going to leave this for later, but please believe off camera, I'm going back for the rest of this. And there we have it, you guys. Our cauliflower-inspired keto mashed potatoes. So all we need to do right now is to take a picture of this, and then I'm going to come back, I'm going to serve myself some, and I'm going to let you know how good this is. So you guys, I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, welcome back. So it is time to take a taste. So let's go ahead and put some of these in a little serving dish. And another thing too that I forgot to mention before, when you are mixing these up, you can also put some Parmesan cheese or some cheddar cheese in it if you want to make these a little bit cheesier. So I kept this out on the side because what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some on top. So I'm going to start by giving them a taste first. And you guys, these smell so good. All right, Lord, I thank you. These are perfection, you guys. These are so good. They are creamy. As a matter of fact, you don't even taste the cauliflower because what you put in it kind of masks the fact that it's cauliflower, but they are creamy. You taste the garlic and the butter and the heavy whipping cream coming through. These are so delicious. And again, another thing that attracts me to it is the ease of the recipe because again, everything that I use in this to flavor and season my cauliflower is exactly the same thing that I'm going to use to flavor and season the potatoes for my husband's mashed potatoes. So let me go ahead and put some of this Parmesan on top and see how that tastes. You guys, either way, you cannot go wrong. These are delicious. Please do give this a try. This will definitely be included as part of my Thanksgiving meal. So I encourage you to give this a try. When you do, please do let me know just how much you love it. Give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. Please do subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you along for my YouTube journey where I'm finding recipes that keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto, you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say Too. And I've got more Thanksgiving recipes I'm going to be trying, so please stay tuned for those. And I'll see you soon, you guys. Thank you so much. So good.